Android 17 had fans marking their calendars only to cancel the release at last minute. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. The first beta of Android 17 was expected to drop, but at the very last minute, it got delayed. Google hasn't explained why, and now it's only saying coming soon. That's now expected to arrive around June, so fans shouldn't have to wait too long. And when it does arrive, it's bringing some serious upgrades. One of the biggest changes in Material 3 Expressive, Pixel phones already got this bold new design. Android 17 will roll it out more widely. It'll offer smoother animations, new icon shapes, stylish blur effects, and refreshed layouts. Your Android phone could soon look and feel very different. There's also a clever new feature called motion cues. It's designed to reduce motion sickness when using your phone in a moving car or bus. Small animated dots on the screen will move along with your device, helping your brain better understand motion and potentially reducing nausea. Tablet and foldable users aren't left behind either. Apps will have to properly adapt to different screen sizes. That means no more awkward black bars or apps stuck in small windows on devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Apps should finally fill the screen with the way they're meant to. Photography fans can expect smoother camera switching with fewer pauses when jumping between lenses. And for video lovers, Android 17 adds support for VVC H.266, a compression standard that saves space without hurting quality. Sure, Android 17 might be delayed, but with these features, it's still pretty exciting to wait. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.